Japan is changing their stance on crypto and NFTs, and Polygon is breaking records going into the new year. This is your Altcoin Buzz news. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody Buffington. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when we drop our latest content. Follow us on Twitter at AltcoinBuzzIO, and as always, this is not financial advice, and we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. And don't forget, for a limited time, our Altcoin Buzz Access group is free, and while it is, you can get our great weekly market and NFT update reports from our amazing research team. Check them out for free now. The link is in the description below. Now, let's get into the news. Bitcoin is beating records this Christmas, but not in the way you'd hope, as sub 17,000 price action sparks unrivaled pain for hodlers. Data from on-chain analytics firm Glassnode shows that both short-term and long-term investors are sitting on more losses than ever before. Its descent to levels last seen 2 years ago has also created problems for holders who bought in more recently. For both short-term holders and long-term holders, current Bitcoin price levels are a nightmare. According to the latest figures, as of December 26, short-term holders of Bitcoin held a loss at 1.89 million Bitcoin, with long-term holders tallying at over 6 million Bitcoin. This is a record in terms of the percentage of the Bitcoin supply used by the tool, which excludes Bitcoin held by exchanges. Analysts also believe that the new macro Bitcoin price bottom is still yet to come. A popular target is $10,000 for Bitcoin, which is potentially due in Q1 2023, as weeks of sideways action with hardly any volatility come to an end in the new year. In terms of its retracement from all-time highs, Bitcoin still has room to fall, having not yet breached the 80% threshold common to previous bear markets, which would take us to at least 13,700. Back in June, the Japanese government gave a green signal to a bill that recognized stablecoins as digital money. By doing so, Japan became one of the first big countries to form a legal framework for stablecoins. However, they were required to be backed by Japan's fiat yen or another legal tender that allowed holders to employ them at face value. Nonetheless, the bill did not touch upon overseas stablecoins backed by assets like Tether. However, the Japanese financial services may reverse the ban on the circulation of stablecoins like Tether and USDC. A recent report from a Japanese post said in 2023, the financial services agency will lift the ban on domestic distribution of stablecoins issued overseas. The report also pointed out that the remittance limit, aka the amount you can send abroad, will be set at 1 million yen, about $75,000, per transaction. As far as domestically issued stablecoins are considered, issuers will have to put together collateral assets. Issuers are limited to banks, fund transfer service providers, and trust companies. Furthermore, as an anti-money laundering measure, the FSA will also mandate stablecoin distributors to record transaction information like user names. Japan's crypto stance has notably eased over the years. Japanese Prime Minister Fumio Kishida's new capitalism vision seeks to boost Japan's economy. The country recently revealed its expansion into the NFT and Metaverse space. Parallelly, the government is also looking to ease crypto tax rules. Solana has been losing lots of traction in the past few months, with two of the most important NFT projects based on Solana announcing that it will be migrating to other chains. We mentioned yesterday, DeGods announced that it will be bridging to Ethereum most likely in the first quarter of 2023. However, since the announcement, DeGods' daily volume spiked by more than 187%. According to Nansen, its average price went from 426 Solana to 566 Solana. It added that many holders have sold all of their DeGods, while others are adding more. While Utes will be officially migrating to Polygon in the first quarter of 2023, the details will be released after the testing. The final roadmap for Utes Season 2 will be out in January. Solana Labs co-founder tweeted that unicorns like Magic Eden, the Solana NFT marketplace, Phantom, the Solana wallet, and DeGods are going multi-chain. It's bittersweet to watch. It would be awesome for them to 100% focus on Solana, but the reality is that these projects want to conquer the world. What Solana needs is 20 more unicorns that are so ambitious that Solana can't contain them. Also, according to CoinDesk and the Solana Foundation, the DeGods team had asked for $5 million to stay on Solana, but Polygon paid for them to move with a grant from its partnership fund. With these big unicorns moving away from Solana, will there be an incentive for more builders to work on the blockchain in the future? Let me know what you guys think. After a year of intense research and development, Optimism says they have built the cheapest, fastest, and most minimal code base for an Ethereum equivalent rollup. They plan to bring this game-changing architecture to Optimism mainnet in an upgrade called Bedrock. To get ready for the release, they'll be migrating Optimism's Gorelli testnet to Bedrock on January 12th, 2023. Bedrock will enable Optimism to offer the lowest possible L1 data fees. They say no other rollups have figured out how to get these fees lower. Optimism will be able to incorporate multiple proof mechanisms, including ZK proofs. They'll support multiple execution clients, allowing for client diversity and client-specific benefits. Implementing two-step withdrawals for bridging assets. Users will be able to monitor for bad behavior themselves, making withdrawing bridge assets much more secure. So it looks like 2023 will be a big year for Optimism as well. The The Polygon business development team has been killing it all year. Polygon has just overtaken Binance for transactions per second, as well as daily transactions per week. In the last 7 days, there have been over 100,000 smart contracts deployed on Polygon as well. Orb City, Korea's largest Web3 metaverse platform, is coming to Polygon in Q1 2023. Orb City says they're building a creator economy where artists and community can connect to build their metaverse while earning rewards. Polygon also just released a 2022 rewind where they covered some of the key numbers they hit for the year, which include 778,000 smart contracts deployed, 234,000 contract creators, 200 million total unique addresses, 960 million transactions processed, 61,000 tons of carbon eliminated, and one ultimate scaling solution. 2023 is clearly going to be the year where networks that help Ethereum scale will outperform. Fidelity Investments, a company with trillions in assets under management, has filed 3 US trademark applications to provide services in the metaverse and other virtual worlds in its latest step into the realm of digital assets. The firm wants to provide its traditional services in alternate realities. The application mentions NFTs and NFT marketplaces, virtual real estate investing, crypto trading, and metaverse investment services. The metaverse looks to be one of the company's primary areas of interest, with Fidelity Investments suggesting that it may provide a variety of investment services with imaginary spaces, namely mutual funds, retirement funds, investment management, and financial planning, to mention a few. Fidelity has been quicker to embrace digital assets than most other large investment companies, and in October it said it was planning to add 100 more crypto hires to expand its digital asset team to 500. That's it for your Altcoin Buzz news update. I'm your host, Cody Buffington. Thanks for watching.